Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English Through Stories. Today's story is called The Lost Wallet. We will practice the past tense while listening to a short, simple story. Yesterday, Anna walked to the park. She wanted to relax and read her book. She sat on a bench and enjoyed the sunshine. After 1 hour, Anna stood up. She looked around and realized something was missing. Her wallet was gone. She checked her bag, but she didn't find it. She felt nervous and worried. Anna retraced her steps. She walked back to the cafe where she had bought coffee. She asked the waiter, "Did you see my wallet?" The waiter shook his head. She searched the ground, but she didn't see anything. Finally, Anna went to the park office. She explained the situation. The officer smiled and said, "Yes, someone found your wallet and brought it here." Anna felt so relieved. She thanked the officer and went home happily. Past tense verbs in the story: walked, wanted, sat, stood, looked, realized, checked, felt, retraced, asked, shook, searched, explained, smiled, found, brought, thanked, went. Notice how we add ed for regular verbs: walked, wanted, checked. Some verbs are irregular: sat, stood, felt, shook, found, brought, went. Now, let's practice together. Repeat these sentences after me. Yesterday, Anna walked to the park. She lost her wallet. She found it at the park office. Great job! You practiced the past tense with a short story. If you enjoyed this lesson, subscribe for more Learn English Through Stories. See you next time.